I do not believe in taking the right decision, I take a decision and make it right. Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
My message to you all is of hope, courage and confidence. Let us mobilize all our resources in a systematic and organized way and tackle the grave issues that confront us with the grim determination and discipline worthy of a great nation. Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
No nation can rise to the height of glory unless your women are side by side with you. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. We should have a state in which we could live and breathe as free men, and which we could develop according to our own lights and culture, and where principles of Islamic social justice could find free play. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. No settlement with the majority is possible, as no Hindu leader speaking with any authority shows any concern or genuine desire for it. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Come forward as servants of Islam, organize the people economically, socially, educationally and politically, and I am sure that you will be a power that will be accepted by everybody. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. I do not believe in taking the right decision, I take a decision and make it right. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. There are two powers in the world, one is the sword and the other is the pen. There is a great competition and rivalry between the two. There is a third power stronger than both, that of the women. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Think 100 times before you take a decision, but once that decision is taken, stand by it as one man. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Democracy is in the blood of the Muslims, who look upon complete equality of mankind, and believe in fraternity, equality, and liberty. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. No nation can rise to the height of glory unless your women are side by side with you. We are victims of evil customs. It is a crime against humanity that our women are shut up within the four walls of the houses as prisoners. There is no sanction anywhere for the deplorable condition in which our women have to live. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. You will have to make up for the smallness of your size by your courage and selfless devotion to duty, for it is not life that matters, but the courage, fortitude and determination you bring to it. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. With faith, discipline and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. Muhammad Ali Jinnah.